At the end of your day in a cafe, you like to clean your machine. I'll show you how to clean the machine. Okay, I'm going to show you how to clean your froth wand. First step, you want to take a picture, place it underneath the water outlet, press this for water. Be careful because this is boiling water and your picture becomes really hot. So next up, what you need to do is you want to immerse the entire of your froth wand inside the boiling water. Hold it for about 3 or 4 seconds. Once you're done, take a rag, take out the pitcher and wipe your froth wand, place back the froth wand and blow once. This is how you clean your froth wand. Next, I'm going to show you how to clean your group head. First step is the portafilter comes with a basket, as you can see as such. What you need to do is you need to take a blank, which looks like this. This is a blank, and place it into your portafilter so that it looks like this. Next up, you can place soap or detergent or espresso cleaning powder into it or tablets. Place it into the machine. Make sure it's slightly tight. Next up, you need to press these 2 buttons together at the same time. Next up, you'll notice that it's written on the LCD cleaning, and these 2 buttons will blink. You need to leave the machine alone for about 5 minutes. It will automatically clean for you. You need to do this group head cleaning once every 2 or 3 days, depending on the volume of your cafe. Now, if you have a lower volume, you may do it less often. If you have a higher volume, you may need to do it more often. You also have the option of placing detergent, which is the espresso cleaning powder or tablet, on your blank portafilter before you place it inside. If you're using detergent to clean your group head, remember that you need to rinse your group head before you use your machine to ensure that there is no residual soap or detergent in your group head. Otherwise, your coffee will taste of soap. You can do this by taking the portafilter with a blank, place it inside the group head. Do not tighten it, you just want to place it inside. Press running water, and you like to run it for about 2-3 seconds. This is to ensure that your coffee does not have any traces of detergent. The first step is you like to move your frother away and remove any tray that is on this big tray. Next up is you can actually take this whole thing out to wash it. So just pick it up gently like that, and it comes out that you can bring it to your sink to actually wash it. And when you just place it back by just placing back like this. So when you wash this tray, remember that the bottom needs to be dry, because as you can see at the bottom is inside your coffee machine. Therefore, if the underneath of your tray is wet, the water and moisture will go into your coffee machine and it will rust your machine. So remember to always dry the bottom of your tray before you place it back. And this is how you do the cleanup for your cafe at the end of the day. The top of your coffee machine is hot. You can place cups on top to keep them warm. However, do bear in mind, do not place any wet cups on top, because the moisture from your wet cups will go into your coffee machine, causing it to rust. You can place cups so long that it is dry. Next, try not to place any wet towels or even cloth or whatnot on top covering your coffee machine, because the coffee machine heat escapes through the top. Covering it will basically block the heat from escaping, causing your machine to overheat. Last but not least, moisture from your cloth may go down and it may rust your machine as well.
Goodbye and please subscribe. Goodbye and please subscribe. Bye bye. Bye bye.